Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring Acorns, an investment platform designed to make saving and investing effortless. If you've ever wished for an easy way to grow your money, this beginner's guide will show you how to get started with Acorns and automate your investments. Acorns is unique because it lets you invest your spare change from everyday purchases. Let's break it down. Sign up and set up your account. Download the Acorns app or visit the website to create an account. You'll need to link your bank account and provide basic financial information for setup. Activate roundups. Connect your debit or credit card to enable roundups. Each purchase you make is rounded to the nearest dollar, and the difference is automatically invested. For example, if you spend $3.75, Acorns will invest 25 cents. Choose your investment portfolio. Acorns offers several portfolios ranging from conservative to aggressive, based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Simply answer a few questions to find the best fit for you. Set up recurring contributions. Boost your savings by scheduling recurring deposits. Whether it's $5 a week or $50 a month, consistency helps grow your investments over time. Track your growth. Use the app to monitor your portfolio and see how your investments are performing. Acorns provides insights to help you stay on track with your goals. Acorns is a great way to start investing without requiring large upfront capital or financial expertise. Have you tried automating your investments with Acorns? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.